Hello dear students, so in this video I am going to teach you the molecules showing resonance. First molecule is carbon monoxide, CO. The molecules of carbon monoxide is represented as resonance hybrid of the following three resonating structures. So as you can see in this first structure, carbon have negative charge and oxygen have positive charge. And in third structure, carbon have positive charge and oxygen have negative charge. The bond length of double bond is 0.122 nanometer and for the triple bond 0.110 nanometer. So this is the bond length. The carbon-oxygen bond length determined by X-ray diffraction is 0.113 nanometer. This value is intermediate between the values of double bond and triple bond, and therefore the carbon monoxide is considered as a resonance hybrid of the above three structures. It suggests that the bond between carbon and oxygen is closer to a triple bond. The bond energy is 1057 kJ mole inverse and the bond energy is 726 kJ mole inverse. The resonance energy of carbon monoxide molecule is bond energy minus 1057 kJ minus 726 kJ, which is equal to 331 kJ mole inverse. So this is the resonance energy of carbon monoxide molecule. Now next molecule is what? Carbonate ion, CO3 2 minus. So this is a resonating structure. The ion is planar and its carbon atom is bonded to two oxygen atom each by a single covalent bond and one oxygen atom by a double covalent bond. As you can see, the two oxygen atom each by a single covalent bond. So there are two oxygen atom which is bonded with the carbon atom by single covalent bond, right? And one more oxygen atom which is bonded to the carbon atom through a double covalent bond. The carbon-oxygen bond length determined by X-ray diffraction is 0.131 nanometer. And the carbonate ion is considered as a resonance hybrid of the above three structures. And the resonance energy is 176 kJ mole inverse. X-ray studies show that all the carbon-oxygen bonds are of the same bond length, that is 0.131 nanometer, which is the intermediate value between calculated double bond length and the single bond length between carbon and oxygen atom. And hence the structure of carbonate ion can be best represented as a resonance hybrid structure. The next is nitric oxide, NO. Nitric oxide molecule is considered to have a resonating structure in which nitrogen have negative charge and oxygen have positive charge. Observe bond length 0.104 nanometer and the single bond length is 0.115 nanometer. Both the structures show that it is an odd electron molecule. The observed bond length of 0.104 nanometer is intermediate between the calculated double bond length of 0.115 nanometer and a single bond length of 0.10 nanometer between nitrogen and oxygen. And hence, it suggests that the unpaired electron is spread over the whole molecule, and hence the molecule is represented with a double bond as well as a 3 electron bond between nitrogen and oxygen. And in this nitric oxide, nitrogen have negative charge, oxygen have positive charge, right? So this is the resonating structure of the nitric oxide. So let's have a revision. So this is the first structure, carbon monoxide, which have 3 resonating structures. Bond length of double bond is 0.122 nanometer. Triple bond is 0.110 nanometer. The carbon oxygen bond length is determined by what? X-ray diffraction, that is 0.113 nanometer. And the value is intermediate between the value of double and triple bond. Carbon monoxide is considered as a resonance hybrid of the above 3 structures. It suggests that the bond between carbon and oxygen is closer to a triple bond. Bond energy is 1057 kilojoule mole inverse, 726 kilojoule mole inverse, and the resonance energy of carbon monoxide molecule is 331 kilojoule mole inverse. Now next is the carbonate ion. This ion is a planar and its carbon atom is bonded to 2 oxygen atom by a single covalent bond and the 1 oxygen atom by a double covalent bond. The carbon-oxygen bond length determined by X-ray diffraction is 0.131 nanometer. Carbonate ion is considered as a resonance hybrid of the 3 structures. Resonance energy is 176 kilojoule mole inverse. Nitric oxide. The observed bond length is 0.104 nanometer and the single bond length is 0.115 nanometer.